Does Samsung QLED TV come with wall mount? No, Samsung QLED TVs do not usually come with a wall mount in the box. Instead, they typically include a tabletop stand, and the wall mount must be purchased separately. However, some premium Samsung QLED models, such as the Frame TV or certain high-end Neo QLED models, may include a slim-fit wall mount as part of the package. 1. What's included in the Samsung QLED TV box? When purchasing a Samsung QLED TV, the box usually contains the Samsung QLED TV itself, a standard TV stand, varies by model, Samsung remote control and batteries, power cable, quick setup guide and user manual. Wall mounts are not included in most models, meaning users will need to buy a VC-compatible wall mount separately. 2. Which Samsung QLED models include a wall mount? While most Samsung QLED TVs do not come with a wall mount, some special models include one. Samsung the Frame TV comes with a slim-fit wall mount to create a flush picture frame look. Certain Neo QLED models, some high-end Samsung 8K Neo QLED TVs may include a wall mount. Samsung Lifestyle TVs, select models like the Serif or the Sero may have custom mounting options. 3. How to choose the right wall mount for a Samsung QLED TV. If your Samsung QLED TV doesn't come with a mount, you can buy one separately. When choosing a wall mount, check the TV's VZ mount compatibility, such as 200 by 200 mm, 400 by 400 mm. Decide on the type. Fixed mount keeps the TV flat against the wall. Tilting mount allows slight angle adjustments. Full motion mount lets you swivel and extend the TV. Ensure the mount supports the TV's weight and size. 4. Does Samsung sell official wall mounts? Yes, Samsung offers official wall mounts like Samsung Slim Fit Wall Mount, keeps the TV close to the wall with minimal gap. Samsung No Gap Wall Mount, specially designed for the Frame TV. Universal Visa Wall Mounts, compatible with different Samsung QLED models. 5. How to wall mount a Samsung QLED TV. If you want to wall mount your Samsung QLED TV, purchase a Visa-compatible wall mount based on your TV's size. Use a stud finder to locate strong mounting points on the wall. Drill holes and attach the wall bracket securely. Mount the TV carefully and ensure it is level. Connect power and cables, using Samsung's One Connect box if available for cable management. Most Samsung QLED TVs do not come with a wall mount, but you can purchase a compatible Visa wall mount separately. If you prefer an official Samsung mount, slim fit or no gap wall mounts are great options for a clean, modern look.